Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the highly anticipated launch of Redmi 15 5G. Thank you for joining us today, August 19, 2025. Yes, it's finally here. I am Syam, and I'll host as we unfold what makes this device game changer in the budget 5G phone segment. Before we dive in, let's talk philosophy. Redmi has always aimed to deliver maximum value, premium features as accessible price point. The Redmi 15 5G continues this legacy with bold battery life, smooth performance, and standout features that usually comes with higher price tag. First impression, the Redmi 15 5G arrives in three colors: midnight black, forest white, and stunned purple, each with unique texture, finish for better grip and aesthetic appeal. Despite packing a massive 7000 mAh battery, it maintains a surprisingly slim profile, making it the slimmest phone in the class. Diving deeper, you get a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display with smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and 288 Hz touch sampling, ideal for scrolling, gaming, or being watching. It also features TOB Rehan lens certification like low blue light and flicker-free visuals, perfect for long viewing sessions. Powering the show with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6S Generation 3 chipset, offering dependable speed and smooth multitasking, paired with HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15. It brings intelligent features like cycle to search, AI eraser, and AI sky. Now the standout star, a 7000 mAh massive battery, the largest ever, the Xiaomi Global Redmi series. The silicon carbon battery technology ensures durability with up to 80% capacity retention up to 4 years. And guess what? You can use your phone as a power bank. Reverse charge other device with up to 18-watt output, which is powerhouse except up to 12.75 hours of BGMI gameplay, 23.5 hours of YouTube playback, and marathon session sorted. The camera doesn't disappoint you. 15MP AI rear shooter, complemented by 8MP selfie camera, expect crisp photos and smart editing tools powered by AI audio buffs. You are covered 2 Dolby Atoms, high-res audio, and 200% volume boost, an immense experience. You also enjoy 5G connectivity, IP64 pulse resistance, side-mounted fingerprint security, expandable storage, and up to 16 GB virtual RAM, plus 3-year OS and 4-year security update promise ensures your phone stay relevant longer. Now the millions of his question, price tag. While expect exact Indian price is it not final yet, expect it loaned around 15,000, a benchmark for delivering flagship level battery, display and features at ultra affordable price. Available from August 19, exclusive via Xiaomi retail and online platform. Redmi 15 5G is more than just another phone. It proves that powerful specifications, smart design doesn't need to cost or fortune. Thank you for being here today. Stay tuned for hands-on demos, giveaways, and more. Let's make every moment legendary with Redmi 15 5G. Thank you so much.